I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can make a meeting in Calendly. Now on Calendly here on the home screen, you want to click on this plus button here to create. Now you can create either an event type or a one-off meeting, right? Now, it depends on what kind of meeting you want to have. If it's something regular, something that's routine, something that's going to repeat every other week or every week, you can create event type. But if it's just a one-off meeting, this is something that's only going to happen once and it's not going to repeat, then I suggest one-off meeting. So for this case, I'm going to do one-off meeting, right? On the new one-off meeting, you want to add times, right? So for example, here on Friday, I want the meeting to be around at 10 a.m. here, right? So I just want to click on 10 a.m. just like this. If I want to extend it, it's 10:30 to 10:30 to 11. Now, once here, just click on next, right? Now you can see it's 2 times per day, right? 2 times on one day, right? And the meeting name is going to be, well, one off, right? So one off meeting, one off. And on the location here, you can either do a Zoom, a phone call, or an in-person meeting. You can also choose Google Meet if you'd like. I'm just going to do Zoom here. Either Zoom, but you can see Zoom is not connected, right? So you need to have a Zoom integration page like this. So I'm just going to do Google Meet just like this. And then on the optional settings, you can click on reserve times if you want. And there's also an invite language on English as well. But after you're done with this, just click on share meeting link. And this is the meeting link you have here. Copy this link and then give it to your client or whoever you want to have a meeting with. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.